Hello, good afternoon. I'm here at Gulf Print and Pack exhibition in Dubai at the World Trade Center, Dubai, and it's a pleasure to be at the Omet and Printech stand. And I'm pleased to be here with Andrea Angeli, who's the sales export manager for Omet. Hello, Andrea.
Yes,
how are you?
Nice to see you again.
Good to
Dan.
see you. Good to see you. And it's also a pleasure to be with Jay Chawda, who's the technical director for Printech Middle East. Hello, Jay.
Hi Ben, thank you. It's nice to see you here.
Thank you, Jay. And Andrea, if I can go to you and just, understand about Omet. You've done a lot of innovations in the labels and flexible space all these years, and for our viewers, if you can a little bit brief about Omet as a company and what you've been doing.
Yeah, sure. Now, I think that as everyone knows, we are one of the leader of the market. We are printing and converting manufacturer of machines, covering a range of technologies from flexo to offset, rotogravure, screen and digital, combining all together, belonging by the needs of the customer. Okay. As a choice in the recent years is that we are standardizing the level of automation to a premium level, no matter which kind of segment of machine we propose to the customer. Understand? So solution like multi-cameras, register on fly, die cutting on fly, reducing the waste, making the set up time of the machine as fast as possible is something that is available no matter on which model. And this is together with the support and the presence on the market is one of the most important reasons of our success.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Andrea. Tell me about some of the latest innovations and automation that your systems have been, you've been doing with your systems, primarily on both labels and flexible standpoints.
Sure.
I understand, and we have been covering also in the magazine quite a few innovations that you've been doing in terms of automation.
Yes, let's say we analyzed the needs of the market, okay, and we saw that only a printing technology or only a printing curing or a type of ink is not anymore sustainable and convenient for the customer. Okay, so by the point of view of customizing the machine, we combine UV with water-based, but even solvent when needed, with a preference on the water-based for environmental reason. Okay, and whatever can be helpful, like a system of die cutting with a fast changeover, making a setup of the machine as fast as possible. Whatever can be of help, okay, and reduce time, waste, and so making the machine more efficient. On our machines, we have a range unlimited of solution to the customer, and this is something that can be used daily on our machine. But together with a new software called Sphera, okay, that is a software that it helps the customer analyzing his own performance with the goal of improve them. It's something that is very appreciated nowadays, okay, and the customer are looking at real result at present, and they are surprised of what can they obtain in the future.
Okay, great, thanks. What about sustainability? That's one area where most of the machine manufacturers are also getting into, because that is a need of the hour, whether it's for a brand owner, for a converter. Sure. Now for a machine manufacturer, that's getting more challenging. So if you could just brief us what initiatives that you've taken and how you've taken thought to action in this area.
Sure. Let's say, as everyone, the use of LED is more and more common on our machine by a point of view of curing with the UV lamp LED. But not only, we worked, for example, on cold foil application, inventing a saving system, okay, that reduce of 50% the consumption of foiling, so you can imagine the amount of plastic less that we have around. And then working, as I told you, in reducing the waste to the minimum, okay, and the waste is not only on material but also on time. It reflects the energy consumption, and it's like when you move something and there is an environment together that is moving, okay, by several directions. It goes all into a green direction and a green path that our company took since several years now.
Brilliant. Thank you, Andrea. Jay, if I can come to you, you've been working with with Omet. I think it's for the past 12 years. Is that right? So that's been a long journey and a very successful journey, from what I understand. So I'd like to hear from you about this journey and the success and Omet's commitment and your commitment for the label industry in this region. Sure. You can.
So, yeah, Ben, you are right. We have been working with Omet from the last 12 years, and it's been a pleasure to have you, Andrea.
Thank you.
It's been a partnership that we have seen us work together, grow this market, and become the leaders. So, I could not ask for anything more. Omet has always supported us. Best innovations, understanding the customer requirements, and fulfilling it to the fullest. So it's like we have been promising to the customers something and we have been delivering it the full amount and plus.
Yes.
So it's a customer delight, and that is the reason that we have seen this kind of a success. And I see even going ahead, the kind of innovations that Omet has done will make sure that we are in this leadership position even in the next decade.
Yeah.
So I look forward to this. Yeah. Thank you, Ben.
Brilliant. Thank you, Jay. And to sum it up, Andrea, if you can just sum up your relationship with Printech and particularly in your commitment for this region, if you can just sum it up, please.
Yeah, sure. Look, first of all, I have the same sentiment, well explained by Jay. Okay, it's a long-term relation that we did, and we are improving. We are improving by even a service point of view. Okay, because more machines means more needs from the customer. So we are involving even our foreign branch, Omet India, okay, that has 5-6 technicians always available, not working only on the Indian continent, but also in the Gulf, in the Middle East, all over. And that is something that the customer is feeling a lot, because you know, when you have someone available to help you, okay, is a complete different feeling. So we are absolutely satisfied, and we focus on this market more than ever. So
brilliant. With that.